hear about, they'll tell about. I see things. You see, they say it's just an old man talking. You laugh at an old man. There's them that laughs and knows better.
So Jeff, where are we? We're on our way to try and find the cemetery, I think. Texas Chainsaaw.
It's around here somewhere.
Yeah. We're on Hero Way.
They usually have green signs that say cemetery.
Probably.
Uh-oh. It's the one light in the town.
Look for a lot of stones in the ground, man. Let's see, we're at the Baghdad Cemetery. There's the sign. Yeah. This is the opening scene in Texas Chainsaaw Massacre. We'll go find that kooky looking headstone where they put the bodies up, man. Rat. Oh man. Oh, dude. We got good light today. This is the famous headstone, Texas Chainsaaw Massacre original. I believe it was from this angle over here when it opens up on the movie after the photos are taken in the credits. Could be from the other side. I'll try to get both sides. They had the body, I believe, kind of posing right here in that angle. Let's go all around it just for giggles. Could have been on the other side. Let's see here. It also could have been this angle. They put something up right there with the bodies posing.
There are moments when we cannot believe that what is happening is really true. Pinch yourself and you may find out that it is.